Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting. And our topic today is graphically summarizing quantitative data, today with scatter plots on Tableau. Remember, all our videos on Tableau, we also have an Excel version, and the link is in our video description. So what is a scatter plot? Used to study relationship between two variables. It is impossible to create a scatter plot with only one variable. So place one variable on the x-axis, a second variable on the y-axis, and then place dots on pair coordinates. For instance, revenue and profit. How much revenue, how much profit, and then we start placing the dots. And then we create a lot of dots and we can see if there is some relationships. Positive, increasing, negative, decreasing, no linear relationship. It is kind of random. So how do we do that on Excel? So first of all, let's go to our Excel file. Remember, Tableau is not a database, so we need the numbers storage in anywhere. So here, a public company in the US, the last 40 periods to the oldest, from the oldest to the newest, revenues and operating profit or operating income, depending on where you are. And then, okay, revenue 30, profit 10, revenue 54, profit 17. So we will be mapping them. How do we do that? So let's close it. Let's open Tableau, Microsoft Excel, and scatter plots. So here, we already went to our numbers because we have only one sheet. If we have more than one, the sheet would be here, and then we need to move sheet 1. And then, okay, period, revenue, and operating profit. Here, guys, we need to do a little adjustment. Tableau is considering all of 3 as measures because period is a number. So we are not summing this period. So period is our name. So we need to move. How do we do that? Click on this arrow and convert to dimension. And then it goes on blue. So blue dimensions and red is our number. So revenues on rows. Revenue will be on the X axis. Operating profit. Oops, here, that is nice. I want it in the opposite order. Revenues here, operating profit there. How do we do that? Come here. We are switching. Woo! Switch them. And then let's rename it scatter plots. But we have only one, only the sum. So okay, a revenue of 2.5 million, operating profit of 709. Doesn't show a lot. So we go here, period, on detail. Then it will show all of our numbers. If we want to add some other measurements, for instance, let's consider here there are some apparel stores and some furniture stores over here. And I want to add them by colors. I could add apparel, furniture, and then we could go on color. Or better, let's do it. So let's go back to our Excel file. So let's close it here. And let's see how cool they are. So here's some stores. And then here, furniture, apparel, and sports. They are all fake names, okay? And then let's copy and paste to all of them and here. Okay. So these are our stores. So let's close it. Let's save it. And then let's go on Tableau. Okay, it's not the newest version, but it will work. Okay, let's go Tableau. Microsoft Excel. Scatter plots on Tableau. So, okay, now let's go back again. Period. Or here, see that stores is already on blue because it's text. So, period. Convert to dimension, and then profit here, revenue there. Now we have what we want. Period on detail. And now I want a stores on color. So it will show me on the different colors for apparel, furniture, and sports. And I can even label them. But that's not pretty, huh? So we can delete this and see how cool it is on size. The largest is sports and then furniture and then apparel. That does make sense. Or on shape. On shape is interesting. We have some bubbles, some squares, and some plus here, so some signs. So okay, and then we can delete the colors. We can do that. So that is completely up to you how you will handle it. And then another very interesting stuff. We also have it on Excel, but here it's easier. A trend line. How do we add a trend line here? Let's come, trend line. Whoa, we add. Which one do we want? Linear. And then we have one for each of one for apparel, furniture, and sports. If we want to delete the three, delete it, and we have only one. And then we come here. We have the R squared. Usually, if it is above 0.7, we are good. And p-value, if it is below 0.05, it is also good. And if we already go here on stores, it shows us three different, two are quite similar here. So 94, 93, 95, very good trend lines. And if we want to forecast, no forecast because we have three. So let's delete it here, delete it there. And now we have the forecast. So it is the top, it is the bottom, and then we have some kind of forecast here. So here our estimated numbers and so on. So let's delete it. And we are good to go. And then let's add this trend line, and we go a lot of stuffs here, and we want to go to median. We can also come here and so on. So average with 95 confidence interval, median, trend line, forecast, clusters, and so on. So we can create clusters with these numbers. So cluster 1, 2, and 3. We don't want clusters. So you can play with a lot of different options here. Nice, huh? So guys, that's it. Thank you so much. And if you have questions or comments, leave them here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.